Hey class 8th, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to start our worksheet question with a new thought. So here is our thought of the day. Happiness is not something you find, it is something you create with your attitude, actions and words every day. Today we are beginning a new question from our worksheet. This will help us practice and understand the concept more clearly. So today we are doing here worksheet 2 chapter 2 cubes and cube roots, question number 4 and question number 5. So here let's begin. Question number 4 is find the cube root of the following rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which we can write in the form of p upon q and where q does not equal to 0. Here this is written in the form of p upon q. This is our first part, this is second part and this is our third part. All parts are similar, but we can today here do the question number 4 second part here, and all parts are similar to like this part. So our second part is minus 512 upon 343. We can do this question by the prime factorization method. In this question they do not specify that this question is only do by the prime factorization method. You can do it or another method, but we can do here this question by the prime factorization method. We find the prime factorization this minus 512 in the numerator, then it's 343 in the denominator. We have to find the prime factorization of this. So again I repeat, our question is find the cube root of the following rational number. So our question is question number 4 second part is minus 512 upon 343. I again clear you that we have to find the cube root of these rational numbers, and rational numbers are those numbers which we can write in the form of p upon q. Here minus 512 is p and 343 is q, where q 343 is does not equal to 0. So let's begin with writing answer. Here I do the prime factorization of this numerator minus 512. Here 2 in the ones place divided by whole digit is divided by 2, because here at the ones place this is a 2 and divisible by 2. Even number 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Again 6 even number. Again divided by 2. Then 128. 8 is an even number. Again divided by 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 4s are 8. Again divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 16s are 32. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 1 here. Now we have to stop here. Our remainder is 1. Now we have to find the prime factorization of 343. I write here 343 and 343 is divided by 7. 7 49s are 343. Again divided by 7. 7 7s are 49. Then 7 1s are 7. Now again we have to stop here because our remainder is 1 here. In this question we have to find the cube root. So I can write this as, this is called cube root. Then I have to put this minus here and write 512 upon 343. Here this is we have to find out. Now I write here is equal to, I write the prime factorization of this 512 at the place of this under root. Now I write here this minus and root 3 at the place of this 512. I write the prime factorization of this. How many times there is 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 times. I write here 9 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Then upon and the prime factorization of this. is 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Now This form a triplet here, this form a triplet here, this two also form a triplet here, this two also form a triplet here. Here this 7 also form a triplet here. Now I write from here this 2 form a triplet, I write only one number. From this it form a triplet number 2, I write only one number. Then again this 2 form a triplet, I write again 1 2 from here. Then the symbol of minus here and upon. In upon, from this triplet, I write only 1 7 from here is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, symbol of minus with 8 and upon 7. Minus 8 upon 7 is our answer, or we can also write is it in the mixed fraction, that is minus 1 upon 7. 7 ones are 7 multiplied by minus 1 minus 7 minus 7. Here 7 ones are 7 plus 1 8 and 8 upon 7 and symbol of minus is also there. Then this is equal to minus 8 upon 7. This is our answer. Now move to the next question, that is question number 5. Here this is our question number 5. By which smallest number must 5400 be multiplied to make it a perfect cube? In this question we have asked that we have to find a number by which we multiply 5400 to make 5400 a perfect cube. So let's do with it by this question by the prime factorization method. Here this is our question, by which the smallest number must 5400 be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Now we have to do the prime factorization of 5400. I write here question number 5 answer. From fourth question I only do the second part and the rest of the 2 parts are similar to this one. So move to the next 5 and write answer. Now I have to find here the prime factorization of this 5400. At the ones place here it is 0, it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 0 0. Again divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10 and here 0. Again divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. At ones place here 5, and then this is divisible by 5. 675, the sum of 675 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 2 are 6, 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, again divisible by 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. 7 plus 5, 12, again divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 5 plus 2, 7, not divisible by 3. At the ones place here it is 5, then it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Here now I have to stop here, our remainder is 1 here. Now I write here 5400 and the prime factorization of this is 1 2 2 is 3 times 2 here, 3 times 3 here and 2 times 5 here. 2 times 5 here. Here this 2 completes a triplet. This 3 also complete a triplet. But here 5 is not complete a triplet. So we have to multiply 5400 by 5 to make it a perfect cube. Here I write here we have to multiply 5400 by 5 to make it a perfect cube. So this is our answer. That's all in today's video.